My name is Greg Hebby. I'm Vice President in charge of the Aggregate Division of Shelby Materials. And today we're at our Edinburgh plant where we produce sand and gravel and assorted various other building materials. I've been with Shelby for 40 years now. Aggregate is a category of various size material generally used in construction. This would include sand, gravel, and crushed stone for the most part. We also provide specialty mixes for athletic fields and golf courses, as well as soils and soil blends. I'm often asked what makes our sand classification system different than others. I think what we do differently than most is we tend to test our material much more often because we are our largest customer, and the quality of the sand makes a huge difference in the quality of the concrete. Although we do operate a new state-of-the-art computer-controlled classification system, I suspect that just our testing frequency is what really sets us apart. Inconsistency in gradation or fineness modulus of the sand can have a huge effect on the finishability and air entrainment and durability of the concrete on down the line. Another thing that may set us apart is we have the ability to heat our sand, which makes a huge difference when you're concreting in cold weather. We also produce some specialty mixes to be used golf courses and athletic fields. The way we do this is make a USGA grade sand and then haul peat in, sphagnum peat from Canada, and blend it to the proportion that the lab proposes. Some of the higher profile courses and athletic fields that we have done include the Peat Dye course at French Lick, Brickyard Crossing, Victoria National in Evansville, Purdue's both courses, Campen and Ackerman course, the Purdue baseball field, the Purdue football field, IU soccer and the new IU golf course, and the victory fields that the Indians play, and Colts practice fields. I was just asked what makes this plant special, and honestly, if I had to choose just one thing, without trying to sound cliche, my answer would be our people. So we have an exceptional crew. They know what they're doing and they take pride in what they do.
The value for the customer isn't always just delivering the material. Sometimes it's calling ahead to make sure that the material's correct. Sometimes it's making sure that we're there on time. And sometimes it's just following up to make sure that we've done the job correct. That's the value we hope to provide here at Shelby Materials, and we think that's what sets us apart from our competition.